Would you like me to tell you why you were born? Yes, specifically you. In fact, a huge number of sperm cells approached the egg cell. And there was a serious competitive struggle. And you probably think that you were the most agile and the first one, that's why you were born. And I'll answer you, no, you were not the first one. And it wasn't about agility. Do you know why the egg cell chose you? Because you had the most diverse DNA compared to the other contenders. That's why you were born, that's why it let you in. The egg cell is capable of analyzing every sperm that reaches its goal. It reads the biological information stored in every DNA, and then it chooses the best one. Congratulations, that turned out to be you. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.